How to remove stains from marble with baking soda. Baking soda could be a safe alternative to soaps and detergents to remove stains from natural stone surfaces like marble and quartz. Avoid using sharp scrubbers or pointy objects when removing tough stains from marble. This is because they can scratch the stone's natural surface, altering its appearance. You can make use of a soft brittle brush to remove tough stains from marble floors. Bicarbonate of soda is a mild abrasive that can lift off stains from natural stone surfaces without scratching or damaging them. In today's video, we will discuss the best ways to remove any type of stain on marble surfaces using baking soda. Do make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can learn the latest tricks on how to clean around the house. Step 1. Blot out the stains. The first step to removing stains from marble is to try and reduce the wetness. This is to ensure that the stain doesn't soak into the porous material, which could ultimately discolor it when it gets dried. Allowing the stain to dry on the surface could make it a lot more challenging to get it out. Immediately there is a spill on marble floors and counters, use paper towels or cloth to soak up the wetness. Step 2. Use warm treatment. The next step is to warm the marble surface so you can lift off the stain when you use a sponge or a mop. Do this with hydrogen peroxide and warm water mixed in a spray bottle. Use the solution on the stain to soak it up for a few minutes before using a cleaning cloth to wipe it off. In most cases, you should be able to get the stain out without any need for an abrasive. If not, it's time to introduce baking soda into the clean. Step 3. Use a poultice preparation with baking soda. You can introduce baking soda into the clean when you are dealing with tough stains on marble. Start by mixing baking soda and warm water to form a paste. Set the paste directly on the stain and allow it to sit for a few hours. Use a sponge or toothbrush to gently scrub out the stain. Afterward, dry the surface with a microfiber cleaning cloth. You can repeat this step if you still find stain marks after. There you have it, how to remove stains from marble with baking soda. Make sure to subscribe to my germ-free home and check out the website to learn all the safest ways to clean the home.